Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I will be doing a spring pink makeup look. I have my shirt ready and my nails. Let's get started. So first off, I'm taking this primer and putting it all over my lid. And you'll see in a little bit that I put a little too much, but that's because I don't want my eyeshadow to crease and just want it to stay on for a long time. So then I'm taking the beauty blender and blending it all in. I'm taking the Glow in the Dark eyeshadow palette. I'm taking the light pink and putting that in between my brow bone and my crease. Just blending that in. Now I'm taking a darker pink and putting that all over my crease as a transition shade. Look at me and my beauty guru words. Now I'm going to use the Almay palette, and I'm using this light shimmery pink in the corner, and I'm going to put that in the center of my eyelid. Now I'm taking the Goddess Duo and using the highlight and putting it on my inner corner and on my brow bone. With that same darker pink, I'm putting it on my lower lash line just to match it with my eyeshadow. Now I'm taking a setting spray to set all my makeup, make sure that it stays on all day. Now I'm going to take my eyelash curler and use two mascaras. For my eyelashes, I'm taking this Clump Crusher and then one for volume. I like to take the Clump Crusher first for lengthening my eyelashes, and then taking the volume second to give it more volume, obviously, and just make them look thicker. For lips, I use the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in Seduction. It's one of my favorite lip colors, and it's just like a light pink. It's pretty much like my lip color, just a little pinkier, and I love it. I feel like it just goes perfectly with this makeup look, so yeah. And this is the finished look. I really love this makeup look. I actually do this makeup a lot because I just really love pink. That's my favorite color, obviously, and I just like how it looks. So I really love doing this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below on any other ideas you guys want to see from me. Don't forget to turn on those post notifications so you're notified when I upload a new video. I hope you're all staying safe. Have a great day. Bye guys.